I'm Robin, the resort manager at Sun Outdoors Kensington Valley. Thank you for booking your stay with us. Let me show you around the property. Come with me. We have 493 sites with 309 being seasonals, and the rest are what we would call transient sites. Everyone has basic Wi-Fi access when they come into our resort. We have 4 comfort stations throughout the park. 2 of them also have laundry services in them. We have a dog park area with a separate area for the smaller dogs. We have playgrounds scattered around the park. Up near the Welcome Center, there are 2 more elaborate playgrounds and play structures for the kids to play on. We have a recreation center here, which has a small general store in it, and that's where some of our activities are held. Come to the Welcome Center and find out what the activities are for the weekend. We have 4 beautiful beaches, 1 on each lake. Depending on where you're staying, it doesn't mean you're limited to using that beach on that lake. The biggest one would be over at Haas Lake, which is near the recreation center. The nature trail is a lovely place for family, friends. You can bike it, you can walk it, you can come up to the Welcome Center and rent a golf cart. In New Hudson, we are famous for the oldest restaurant in Michigan, the New Hudson Inn. You can head on over there and have a good burger. There is a winery in New Hudson if you want to do some wine tasting. Kensington Metro Park is just a short distance from here. There's golfing, there's miles of trails, there's beaches. Kensington is a wonderful location to go to. Our whole team is here to make sure you have an amazing stay, like our guest services coordinator, Gina.
Hi there. If there's anything I can do to make your stay even better, please come see me at the Welcome Center. Stay sunny.
Download the Sun Outdoors app from your favorite app store where you can book your next stay with us. We can't wait to welcome you to Sun Outdoors Kensington Valley, where you can explore your sunnier side. See you soon.